In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link records and tables in Airtable. By the end, you'll know how to connect information across tables so your base stays organized, consistent, and easy to report on. First, open your browser and go to Airtable. Once you're in, click into the app or base you want to work with, then open the specific table where you want to create the link. Think of this as the home table that will point to records in another table. At the top of your grid, look for the plus sign at the far right of your existing columns and click it to add a new field. A panel opens with field types. Switch to standard fields so you see the common options, then choose link to another record. This field type creates a special column that references records stored elsewhere in your base, helping you avoid duplicates and keep a single source of truth. You'll be shown your existing tables. Choose the table that already contains the records you want to link to. Pick carefully here. This determines where your data relationships will live. As you review the setup, name the field clearly so teammates understand what it connects. And note that Airtable automatically creates a reciprocal linked field on the other table so the relationship works both ways. When you're ready, click Create. Your new linked record field appears in the grid. Now try it out. Click into any empty cell in that new column. A selector opens with a search bar at the top. Use the search to find the record you want to connect, then select it. If your workflow calls for it and your field allows multiple links, you can select more than one. This is great for relationships like projects with multiple assignees or orders with several products. As you begin to link records, keep an eye on consistency. Linking ensures that if a name, status, or date changes in the source table, it updates everywhere the record is referenced. That's the real power of relational structure in Airtable. If you're continuing to shape your schema, click Add Field to insert any additional columns you need next. After creating a linked field, many teams like to follow up with lookups or rollups to display details from the linked table. Just remember those are optional enhancements you can add later as your base matures. That's it, you've linked records between tables in Airtable. Save your changes, test a few links, and you're on your way to a cleaner, more connected workspace.